Welcome to Chasing Our Daydreams. We are Paul and Jeanette, and this is our co-pilot Kirma. Come along with us as we find the perfect camping spot in Glendo State Park in Wyoming.
Hello. So, is there any dispersed camping around?
The park features a 12,000 surface acres reservoir created by the Glendo Dam and 10,000 acres of land surrounding the reservoir. The park is located on federal land, which is controlled by the U.S. Bureau of Reclamation.
So we're here.
These are all those little campgrounds?
Yep.
Okay. These ones with check marks are first come, first served. Okay.
Yeah.
This one here, Sandy Beach, has both first come and reservations. This one, this campground said no reservations needed. So that's the ones we gotta look for. This side is the only one that has both reservation, and it's a bigger campground. You can see that. We don't want that, do we? So we'll just go around here. If we don't like this, then we'll come back.
Okay. Sounds good.
See if we find a spot that we like.
So my question is, yeah, there's ones for reservations, and then first come, first serve. The price the same for all of it? Like you just paid. There's an okay, so there's an extra $10 if you have electrical side. So if there's stuff open and nobody.
But they can put it by reservation on their fucking phone.
Yeah, I know. That's all I was thinking. Is that a possibility if we decided we wanted something like that?
Well, yeah. Back again.
He just believed that he loved young people. He wanted to help young people. And he didn't deserve this. He was truly a good person. Trump won 10%
Water shooting out down there?
Yep.
2024 than he did 4 years prior, and many credit.
The Glendo Dam was constructed between 1954 and 1958. The main purpose of the reservoir includes flood control, sediment control, irrigation, and power production. Glendo Park became a state park in 1959 and is home to excellent year-round recreational opportunities. Glendo State Park attracts fishermen, boaters, campers, hikers, mountain bikers, and outdoor enthusiasts from across the country. The park has 7-day youth shelters available to rent, many restrooms located throughout the park, and a series of playgrounds located in the Two Moon Campground. There are over 45 miles of non-motorized trails, great for hiking and mountain biking. This park has the best fishing and ice fishing in the state of Wyoming. It has walleye, perch, bass, catfish, crappies, and a few other species. Camping is available year-round at Glendo State Park with over 500 campsites for both RVs and tents, spanning across 19 campgrounds. Reservations are required for most campsites during the recreational season between May and September 31st. Although they do have some first-come, first-served sites, which is what we've been looking for today. Here is where we finally found home for the night.
Hi, I'm at Glendo State Park in Wyoming. It's a pretty nice state park. They have tons and tons and tons of campsites. Like probably a good 1,000 or more. There are a lot. It's pretty nice here. Can't complain. The site that we don't have anybody in our area, but there are other people that are camping down the road and stuff. But it's a pretty nice place. I can't complain. But I'll show you around.
Our campsite.
I know. It's our campsite.
There is something magical about moments like this. Just me, the stillness of the lake, and the gentle whispers of nature. No rush, no noise, just pure peace. This is why I travel, why I camp, to reconnect, to breathe, and to remember that life's beauty is often found in its quietest places.